Mardi Gras! I am here at Universal because they actually invited me out to celebrate Mardi Gras, which is now until April 7th. I am so excited to be here. We're gonna try some food, some drinks, maybe check out the tribute store, and really just party it up until the iconic Mardi Gras parade, which we actually get to be in. I get to be in one of the floats and throw some beads to the audience. I am so excited and also a little nervous to be in a real parade. But it's gonna be so much fun and I'm so excited to take you guys along with me, so let's go! Audio and everything is okay. We're working with it. I've just been walking around looking at all the little Mardi Gras decor, which is so cute, and I came upon our very first booth because they had king cake, which this looks absolutely amazing, and it does come with a little baby. Every piece comes with a baby, so everybody gets the little baby. I know that's a really big deal. And then they also have beignets, which I am so excited, but honestly, no, I'm the most excited for those, I really am. But they also had a coffee, and I was so excited to see if they had any kind of specialty Mardi Gras coffee, which they did. So this is called the chicory coffee. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's an iced chicory coffee with toasted marshmallow cold foam and toasted marshmallow syrup. I'm so excited. Let's try it with the little cold foam. That is so good. It honestly kind of tastes like chocolate milk, like a little milkshake. Like, it's very sweet, but I love it. Honestly, this gets a 10 out of 10 for me. This is amazing. But next, it's time to try the king cake. I'm just gonna bite into it. I don't know what better way to eat it. All right, here we go. I haven't had one of these probably since I took French in high school, because they would give us king cake every year to celebrate Mardi Gras, and they would always make it a big deal. And that's how I learned about the baby, because in our king cake at school, like, one kid in the class would get the little baby. It was never me, but today it is. Anyways, this is pretty good. It's just like a little Mardi Gras donut, honestly. What I think I'm the most excited for, and this is about to be a big old mess, but it's these beignets. Look at this. Let's go. Oh wow. That is so good. These are so warm, which is amazing because it's kind of like cooler and windy outside, and they're still warm. Wow. That is so good. That gets a 10 out of 10. So we have a little bit of time before we have to check in for the parade, which I am so excited for. You guys, we literally get to be on a Universal parade and hand out little beads. And I also have to give the biggest thank you to Universal for inviting me out today. I am so excited to be here and celebrate all things Mardi Gras. And so Universal is the one that said, hey, you're getting up on the parade. And I'm very nervous but very excited. So until then, I think we're just gonna walk around. I'm gonna finish these beignets and then I'll see you guys in a second. So far, I've just been walking around enjoying my little coffee. Like, that coffee was so good. But now it is time to go check in for the parade. So they're having us come over to Animal Actors and we're gonna check in. And so essentially what's about to happen is, I think every day at 7:45, Universal has their Mardi Gras parade, where if you're watching the parade, people are gonna throw beads at you. And it sounds a little scary, but it's actually so much fun. And I feel like I have horrible hand-eye coordination, but I've been able to catch some beads in the past. And so this year we're switching it up and I get to be on the float. And every day they actually have guests who can be on the floats as well. And there's different ways you can go about doing that. So today I'm gonna be on the float and I'm gonna be throwing the beads at people, and I'm so scared. I hope I don't hurt anyone or hit anyone. I don't know. This is gonna be interesting for sure. So let's go on over to Animal Actors and check in.
find the title outfit.
Yours, it's pretty simple. Put it on your head. And a head bowl. And then those lovely ties. I tend to tie with one on the front, one on the back.
Guys, and here's how you tie.
Now y'all can be 20. Okay?
Guys, we are fitted up. We are in our little gold, I don't know what to call it, I forgot, but we're looking good. And we're gonna be on the gator float, which is the very end of the show. I'm excited, I'm nervous. And they're so cool. Yeah, so now we just wait to go get on the float.
You guys ready for some rules? Now, let me ask you this question first. Who here has never ridden a Mardi Gras float before?
Me!
Oh, that's a lot of you. How do you throw a bead? Okay, I see some demonstrations already, but let me explain to you. You guys are gonna get on your floats, you're gonna see lovely bundles of beads on some lovely little hooks that look a lot like this. There's about 10 beads to a bundle in this lovely brown wrapping paper. Make eye contact with somebody out on that parade route. And you're going to throw either underhand or frisbee, like so. Underhand and frisbee. What you don't want to do is throw overhand, because then that just kind of goes on the ground in the street. No one gets that bead. It's a waste, right? You guys are going to stand and follow your bead captains out to your float. As a reminder, there are no backstage photos.
Guys, we're here. Let's throw some beads. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous to do this. Ready? Okay. Oh yay! I did it. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Okay, ready? Decent amount of beads so far. Well guys, we did the whole parade route. That was so fun. Lots of throwing. Lots of throwing. That was so much fun getting to throw the beads and everything. The parade went by literally so fast. So now we're off and then the park is officially closed. But I thought we would go inside the little store and check out some of the Mardi Gras merch. Oh, look at this little alligator. Love it. And this little kid's tee. That's so cute. I want that. Life of the Mardi. That's cute. I think this one is so cute too. Beads or bust. Oh my gosh, they have these really fun little cowboy hats. Love that. And they have some fun headpieces too. They also have some beads that you can buy, but these are a lot cuter than just the normal beads. That one's fun. Love the little bananas. Minions. Oh, these are cute. These are so fun. I think this shirt is really fun too. I love a little tie-dye moment. Oh, this is just like the more generic Mardi Gras 2024 shirt. So fun. They also have a little crew neck too. Cute little zip up. I love it. Everything is just so colorful. Well guys, I am now back at the entrance because the park is officially closed, but they had some really cute merch. Like I was really digging the whole tie-dye. I might have to come back and check out some of the t-shirts because they were so cute. Also the little bead necklaces were so fun, but I love my little beads that I have. I have one of every color. But today was so much fun. Mardi Gras is so fun. It's literally like Halloween Horror Nights, but a little bit brighter and a little bit happier. Actually being in the parade was so much fun though. Like, I was a little bit nervous because one, we were on the second floor. So on the gator, there's like the front people and then there's the top people. And we were the top people, so we had to climb up a little ladder on this little alligator float. It was a little bit scary. I wish I could have showed you guys, but we were backstage so we couldn't film anything. But then once we were up there, I mean, we were on the top of the float and it was actually really fun. I'm like slightly afraid of heights, but it really wasn't that big of a deal. And then after I threw like the first or second bead, I got the hang of it and I was just giving them to whoever would look at me. We would like make eye contact and then I'd throw it. Most of the time it wouldn't actually make it to them, but it would make it to somebody. So I call that a success. But yeah, overall Mardi Gras is so much fun. And so the parade tonight was at 6:15, so we didn't have to wait too long after getting here, but I think sometimes it'll be a little bit later depending on what's going on. And what's really cool about Mardi Gras is they have their concert series where some really cool artists come. This year they're having DJ Khaled, Nessa Barrett, the All-American Rejects, Zed, and a few others, and that's probably one of my favorite times of the year, and it's included with your park ticket. So you get this free concert is what it seems like, and so I think those are on the weekends and they're like every week, every other week, so I definitely will have to come back for some of those. But overall today was so much fun. A huge thank you to Universal for having me out and inviting me to celebrate Mardi Gras. Mardi Gras is just such a fun time. I definitely want to come back and try some of the other foods and everything that they have, but the parade is like the big deal, so I'm so glad we got to be on the float. I would definitely do that again. Let's go. I think somebody got engaged. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe down below. I love you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Bye!